Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We are creating a dessert today. So I will be using granules, peanuts, and dates. These two kind of chocolate, the white one and the brown one, and we'll be using the sesame seed. Stay tuned and see how we create the. So this is the amount of the peanuts I'll be using. And this is the amount of the date I'm using for this recipe. So this is the sesame seed, the amount I'll be using, and it's just 1 bar of chocolate, the brown one, 1 bar, and the milk color one, 1 bar too. Stay connected and see how we create it. I want to blend the dates right now. It will take a little bit while to blend. I'm not done with the dates yet. They are still inside the blending machine because it's like kind of sticky, so it's difficult to blend. So this is how the dates look like after I blend it. I wanted to blend it dry, but it wasn't working, so I had to add water to it. It would be better if you grind it dry. This do not want to. The blender usually grind both dried and the water, but I think it was too sticky because date is really sticky. You can see how it look like. Yeah, that's the reason why. Now just continue like this. And I'm frying the sesame seed. Just want to fry a little bit so it won't be too raw when I add it for the chocolate. So just keep on. You can see it now. It's kind of a little bit brownish. Just want it to like a little bit brown. Then I will stop frying. Wow, this sesame oil look like a red. I don't know what they call it in English though. Some people or people from the district will know what I'm talking about. That little mellow. That's tiny mellow. It's white like this one too. They call it red. When you are frying red, this is how it jump too. Yeah, this is how it jump too. Wow, I bet they have mini one. Anyway, Jesus. Okay, we still have a lot. Yeah, this one is okay like this. It's okay. Just off the stove. I'll just put chocolate inside this one to melt it. Let me do the hot water. Leave it for a few minutes. Just keep rolling for it to be a little bit longer. If you see it's getting more sticky, this kind one, you just clean it out and wipe it up with oil, little bit oil. Yeah, just sprinkle a little bit oil so it will not be sticking. This one is enough for now, Mama. Just continue. You can see my hand, even the one I have in my hand is even more than the one that we have in the garage. Because of it. You can actually still make it like that. No need for you to make it long. Depends on you. I think some people will like this short one. So, yeah. Why not? I'm done rolling. I will just try to create a little bit space in between. Same thing, just continue, same thing. This is the milk color chocolate. I will just continue the same process for all. Okay. And some people cannot wait for this to be done, so she want to do the rest part so we can do it together and be fast. Everyone want to eat their own part. Man. Okay. Okay. Good job. Good job. Okay, so we had to put it back for done. We had to put it back to fridge for like 5 to 6 minutes for the chocolate to be strong before we're able to cut them. So we leave the chocolate to strong back.
Mom, is my toasted too?
Yes, it's you. It's really yummy. And it looks good too. That you can even make this one as lunch at work if you are the type of that like a chocolate. At least we don't have unhealthy stuff inside. Everything inside is healthy, right? So yeah, remember when I grind the date, it was very soft because my blender do not work with dry date. But some things you can grind some dry stuff, but at this particular one you couldn't grind the dates, right? So I had to add water to it for it to be able to grind. Yeah, because of that it was too soft for me to mold and roll together. I had to leave it for fridge for about 4 to 6 hours before I'd be able to do it. I don't know how yours will be if you tried. If you tried your own, if it's not, your own is soft like that, you can just put it in the fridge until it will be able to mold it together. That's when it's right time for you to do it. If it take you 24 hours to be able to mold it together, that's fine. But mine take me like 6 hours before you do this. You can still see it's not that too strong. But if you want your own to be strong, you better use a blender, the one that don't need water to grind. So if you want to use water blender to grind it, exercise patience for some time. So this is the end of the chocolate we make. Yay, done! It's so yummy, and you guys like it?
Yes.
Okay, continue eating.